Grinding concrete versus epoxy.
Right, people. So on your floor grinder, you will see, don't know if you saw it, but I hope you did. When you grind on a solid concrete floor, you will get it smooth, but just bear in mind when you move over to your epoxy or your paint, you will see it's starting to glide onto that paint, but just lightly taking it off. So what you need to do is basically move away from your epoxy, go again onto your solid concrete where it was sanded already, just to get all this epoxy off from the grinding head, so that you can get a nice surface again on your concrete head to grind away your epoxy. All right. So you will see it's grinding again. If you're not happy with it, go to the side. And then you can move over.